To download Corona, you'll need to head to onscamobile.com. In order to use Corona, you'll need to register with Onsca. Registering with Onsca allows you to try out Corona as long as you'd like, and then if you wish to build to device, you'll need to subscribe. You can download the latest stable build by going to Download, and if you haven't yet registered, you'll be presented with a login screen. I've already registered and I've logged in, so now I can download the Corona SDK for Mac or for Windows. For both Mac and Windows, you're presented with an installer that will step you through the process of installing Corona on either platform. If you're not a subscriber, you'll be limited to the latest stable build. As of the recording of this title, the latest stable build is .704a. In order to give you a really broad overview of the Corona APIs, I'm using a daily build, which are only available to subscribers. The daily build that I'm using is .786. If ever necessary, I'll be sure to point out features that are available only to certain builds. Most of what I'll cover in this title is available in the latest stable build. From here, I'll assume that you have the Corona SDK installed, and now we'll navigate to the app folder. I'm on a Mac, so I'll go to Applications folder on my system. In the Applications folder, I'll look for Corona. In my particular case, I've renamed the folder to be Corona. And then the build. I have both the stable build and the build I'm using for this title, .786. Within this folder, there are two main executable files. If you choose to execute the Corona simulator, then you'll get the Corona simulator but not the terminal. If you choose to execute the Corona terminal, you'll get a terminal window plus the Corona simulator. We'll launch the Corona terminal now. Upon first launch, you'll be asked to agree to the license agreement. Then you'll be asked to enter in your credentials. Then choose Login. From here, Corona will authenticate with their servers in order to determine whether or not you're allowed to use this version. I'm a subscriber, so I can use build.786. In this lesson, I won't be creating a new project, but instead I'll show you the preferences for the Corona simulator. So we'll head to Corona Simulator and Preferences. And on Windows, you'll want to check for Preferences. Here, you can choose to deauthorize the computer, and as well, you can choose options to relaunch the simulator if you modify the project. I have my option checked to Never. This is so that whenever I save my project, the Corona simulator won't automatically reload. Instead, I'll manually reload the simulator. As we go throughout this course, I'll show any other features or preferences that are necessary for coding in Corona.